In this video, I want to answer the question, how can we add a column to a data frame? Again, we start with our CSV file and read it into a data frame, df. And now we want to calculate the population per square kilometer for each country. And we want to add a new column here, which contains the values. So we have a population column and an area in square kilometers column. And to compute the people per square kilometer, we just select the column population and the column area, and we divide the two columns one by the other. And what happens is that each value pair will be computed. Okay, and here we assign the resulting series. The result will be a series, so we can use it as column in our data frame. We assign it to a column which doesn't actually exist in our data frame. We just create a new column when we do this assignment. So this assignment creates the column people per kilometer square in our data frame. And when we do that, we get a result with many numbers after the dot. So we want to format it nicely, and therefore we use the apply function, the apply method from the series. And we select the column and we call apply on the column. And what it does is that it takes this lambda function and applies it to each value inside the column. So it takes the value and formats it. And then we assign the result back to our column. So this will format each value in the column so that it has only 2 digits after the point, after the dot. And when we run here the code, we get 5. Okay, that's the length of the columns index. So all the column labels are there. And here we have 1, 2, 3, 4. The output is 5 because we really added one column, and I will show it to you. We just print the data frame and you see now we got people per kilometer square, and it's nicely formatted because we used the apply function. And this is how you add a column to your data frame.